What is going on, everybody? So, the crypto bloodbath continues. What I was hoping for was an oversold bounce this weekend. They did not have enough blood, apparently. Did not have enough blood. The only thing, there's a couple coins that look okay and all, but, Bitcoin looks like it's trying to hold on to support, and we're going to do a couple updates on some of the trade setups that I posted, which went way more bearish, especially as new news came out, like the FTM video that I posted yesterday. Noted, still believe it's completely undervalued. However, they do have a algorithmic stablecoin that ended up coming out. Some company wants to help them with getting back to peg or some nonsense. So the price has been dumping like crazy. There's a possibility that's why Luna started dropping because of their algorithm. The market's a mess. The market is a mess. Stock market, world markets, everything is just a mess. Anyways, let's go ahead. Let's look at the charts. And let's go into that. So looking at Bitcoin on the daily, you can see we are trying our darndest to hang on to support, sitting at $38,338 at the moment of recording. Anyways, we could very well see a possibility of a dip, considering market conditions are so abysmal. And with that being said, that means the altcoins, they've been dipping a lot. They could dip further. We're not going to touch base on Bitcoin too much because not much really changed from yesterday to today. Aside from there's still more Bitcoin being taken off exchanges, which makes it easier if a whale decided to lower the price. They could definitely do it. The liquidity's not there. So if they did a market sell, they could send this price all the way down here to like $28,000. Could definitely see that. Not to mention there was another thing coming out, fair market value, that was saying Bitcoin should be around, I believe, somewhere around 32 to 36,000, something like that. I forgot where I saw that, but yeah. So stock market or Wall Street is believing that Bitcoin's overvalued right now. Okay, sure, why not? If we do come down to 35,003, I guess it's in the cards for Wall Street, and that's where they might consider a good buy. We honestly have no clue right now. We don't know. All we can do is look at the charts and hope for the best. Looking at the 4 hour, we can see we are putting in bearish momentum, and it's rounded on top. Yeah, so don't be surprised if you see Bitcoin come down here to 37.2. Don't be surprised. Bearishness. Now, let's go ahead and go into some of the coins that we've been going over. We're going to start off with RVN, because RVN, we broke support in a very bad way. The only positive thing out of RVN is the fact that we are still in our structure. That is the only positive. However, with us breaking support, it's fine, because you had your stop loss in, I hope you guys had that stop loss in. If you got liquidated on this, you did not listen to stop losses. Stop losses are smart. You should never trade on leverage without a stop loss. Hell, you should never trade period without a stop loss. Just saying. So with RVN, if this bearishness continues, we are looking to try and find some support like we did back here on June 22nd of last year. We're looking to find support there. If we do not find support here at 4 cents, you're going to very quickly see it come down here to 3.9 cents. And if we fall through that, you are testing the bottom of the structure as well as this lowest level of support at 2.7 cents. If you break past that, toast. You're toast. Because, what? We come down here to 1.7 cents? Yeah, we would come down to 1.7 cents. Then past that, we're down here at 1 cent. We don't want to see that. So, anyways, we have to update ourselves as things happen. So, RVN, looking bearish like all the other altcoins. The sell-off continues. I would not even look at putting a long in this bad boy until you hit down here and confirm it as support. So, that means you need to hit it once and then back test it again, and then start going up. Understand that? Considering market conditions, way more likely we're going to come all the way down here to 2.73 cents. Way more likely. I just want to make that clear. I'm not trying to be ultra bearish. I'm just saying what the traders are doing. If you're a billionaire out there, fix this. Elon, where are you at? Anyway, so that's RVN. I mean, everything's looking bearish. Bearish momentum is coming up. I mean, yes, the volume is low, but everything's going down. Oof. Oof. If you were putting in a short, your stop loss would actually be right above this second line up here, 4792. If you're putting in a short, that's where your stop loss is. Yeah. Because noted, if we do get any type of bullish news on the crypto market, it's going to go insane. Absolutely insane. All right, another one that is looking great. KNC, the gravy train has ended. I actually opened up a short earlier today, but that's besides the point. Anyways, so what I'm looking at, we have the 20 EMA on the daily sitting right here at $4.70. And then below that, we do have this trend line that we're looking to find a bit of support off of at $4.46, 6 repeating, of course. If we happen to break that level, then we are coming very fast straight down here to $3.92. So it was a fun ride to the upside, KNC, but you know, with everything great, you gotta come down. Also, if you happen to break that level of support, we are looking at the common retrace down here at $3.49. That is what we're looking at for KNC. Looking super bearish. Super bearish. Super bearish. Not only did you break down below, you backtested it as resistance. And why I have that weird little line there is because I was trading on high leverage. Anyways, yeah, so you saw this nice little trend line we were trying to put in. As soon as we broke past it, yep, confirmed short, we're going down. Straight to this yellow line, $4.44 is your goal. That is rough. Now then, let's go into, what was another, oh, we have to go into FTM. So FTM and their whole algorithmic stablecoin caused some problems. Not gonna lie to you, it caused a lot of problems. So we have been in this falling wedge pattern. We broke this lower level of support at 78 cents. Now, new price target 61.72 cents. This is our next price target. If we cannot hold as support, first spot we're going is straight to the bottom of this channel, 37 cents. We do have some scuffy little support down there. Why do I have 61? Sorry, it's not even 61 cents. It's 60 cents. Oh my goodness. I messed up on my line. Oof. Oof. Anyways, 60 cents at this peak. All the way back here. All the way back here. August 22nd of last year. That is what looks like where we're going. Looks like that's where we're going. The only thing saving us right now is a slight little bit of chop. I mean, yeah, it could be argued there's a support level here at 68 cents, but it's so small, it doesn't really matter. I mean, it was used as resistance, then used as support once. Not a very strong level of support. We could fall right through that like wet paper. If we do break lower than that, then we are looking at this scuffy little support here, right there, and this trading range down at 43.2 cents. So, needless to say, looking completely bearish. Completely bearish. It's kind of a shame. Didn't want it to look this bearish. It just does. This is why also, when I told you about the trade setup, you put your stop loss right below this level that we were bouncing off of as support at 80 cents. We broke through it. You got stopped out. It's okay. It's all right. You saved yourself a little bit of dough. So it's all right. Anyways, I did believe we were going to go up. Little did I know this stablecoin fiasco would happen. Didn't know that would happen. Had no idea. So the sell-off is happening tremendously. Will it recover? Certainly hope so. Certainly hope so. Now let's go ahead and look at AVAX. AVAX, another one that has its own stablecoin, just did something terrible. It broke out to the downside, broke support. Now we're going down to the next level of support, which is all the way down here. $51.22. $51.22. If $51.22 does not hold, your next level of hopefully support is going to be this peak from over here. This peak from May 7th. So, if you're putting a short in, your stop loss is just above the 65.50, and you're taking profits anywhere between 51 and 44. So, yeah, market's looking a little bearish out here. For you leverage traders like myself, honestly, I'm not happy with the bearishness. Don't get me wrong, but also you can make money on the way down. If you feel like shorting the market, you can. Anyways, I hope this video helps out everybody. Sorry I had to come back with such bearish news. But hey, it is what it is. Times of uncertainty, you're going to see sell-offs. Going to see them. All we can hope is the damage gets a little under control pretty soon. Hopefully. Anyways, have a great day. Have a great weekend. Go hang out outside. Go do something. Get your mind off the markets, because if you focus in on this, depressing. Don't do that. Make sure you keep your stop losses tight, and I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.